Hey guys, you're watching this video today to see us activate the Rancilio Pro X. There's 4 great colours to choose from to suit your decor. When you take the box off of your new Rancilio Pro X, you'll find your portafilter, you'll have a tamper, you'll have your 2 filter baskets, you'll have your rubber disc for your regular cleaning, and a nice group head brush as well. To get started, you need to remove the water tank lid. You'll lodge the air trap in the X at the bottom of the water tank, and then you'll insert the supplied water filter and pour your cold water into the tank. Now flick on your power switch. You'll see the temperature start to rise on your display. The light above the steam knob will start to blink. Once that goes solid, you'll be ready to go. Before we start brewing, let's set that soft infusion. The way to get to soft infusion is to hold the plus or minus buttons down to bring you up to 2. Navigate your way through the menu until you get to F08. From there, you press the plus button to bring you all the way up to 6 seconds, and don't forget to lock in that value by selecting the brew button. The soft infusion feature helps you extract the full flavour from your beans and aids a consistent result into your cup time after time. Now we're ready to pull our first shot. The espresso should appear around the 10-second mark. We should run the shot for roughly about 25 to 30 seconds generally. Seeing that 93 degrees on the PID display after we finish the shot confirms that consistent temperature, which is going to help us get that great shot time after time. Steaming capability is super important for the home machines. The Rancilio Pro X has a dual boiler system. We've got one boiler that's dedicated to espresso, with the second boiler used for both steaming milk or getting hot water for warming your cups or for the long blacks. So now looking inside the Rancilio Pro X, what we've got here is a boiler that's purely looking after the brew function. You've got the second boiler there, steam at the top of that boiler, hot water at the bottom of that boiler. What really separates this machine and why we love it, you've got 2 pumps. So now you've got fresh water going to each of those boilers directly. Added to the PID, which will manage those temperatures and be very temperature stable. And that's why the home baristas love it. We hope you enjoyed the video today and are excited to start your brewing journey with your new Rancilio Pro X. If you're looking for more information, check out the Rancilio website or our socials.